We all have that person who we just don't click with, but can't seem to get out of our life. Friend of a friend, colleague, best friend's boyfriend. So how do you make small talk or good conversation with people you don't really like? I think this is an essential social skill. I have a couple of ideas for you on how to make better conversation with someone you don't like, and also some of my favorite conversation starters to keep in your back pocket next time you see them. Strategy number 1, ask for advice. One really easy way to make conversation with someone and also compliment them is to ask them for their opinion on something. Know-it-alls especially love this. There's also a secret reason why this works. In my book, Captivate, I talked about a research study where they found that asking someone for advice makes you more likable. Yes, asking for advice actually helps people feel more rapport with you. So ask them for their opinion on something. Ask them for a restaurant recommendation nearby. Ask them for any help or advice on a project or a trip coming up or vacation. Anytime you can ask them for advice, you're actually building rapport in a secret way. 2, check in on a mutual connection or project. Do you know anyone in common? Do you both have the same best friend or a similar colleague? Ask them about that person. Hey, tell me, how is so-and-so doing? Or, your girlfriend, my best friend, seems like she loves her new job. What do you think? That way you're both talking about something that you like without having to talk about each other. 3rd, have a couple of really good conversation starters in your back pocket. So here are a couple questions that I've picked out that work with people you don't already have a lot of rapport with. My secret goal here, by the way, is if you ask the right questions, even if you don't click with someone, maybe, just maybe, you'll find something you actually like. Here they are. Try, have you read anything this year that you'd like to recommend? Again, asking for advice. Try, watching any good Netflix shows recently? Again, asking for advice. If you're anywhere near a holiday or a vacation or 3-day weekend, ask, got any good vacations coming up? You can also try asking a how question. How did you get into your line of work? How did you end up moving to this city? How do you know the host? How do you know our mutual connection? Hows get people talking. This one's a really funny one. If you have someone you don't like who is really difficult to crack open, like they just give you one-word answers, try this question. So what's something you love that you could just get talking about for hours? You're basically asking them, what's something you actually like to talk about so you can remember it and then always bring it up with them. Last one to keep in your back pocket, any interesting movie that's coming up, ask them if they plan to see it. Whether or not they do or not, you'll have interesting conversation. Hey, did you see XYZ is starring in a movie? Do you plan on seeing it? They're either gonna have an opinion where they really don't like it or they might really like it. And then maybe if they like it, you can go together. Here's the bottom line. If you don't really like someone, try to come up with some strategies that can help you click. And if you can't find things that make you click, see if you can put boundaries on them. If they're a frenemy, get them out of your life. No one likes fake friends. In fact, after this video, watch our video on how to stop fake friendships in their track. Do you want even more tips on communicating with confidence? One of the fastest ways to achieve more success and more respect is to level up your people skills. If you want to master communication and increase your charisma, check out People School. This program comes with 12 in-depth video modules designed to radically change your interactions, communication, and confidence. You'll start applying each principle to your life immediately. I'll share my social blueprints, conversation frameworks, and fascinating science-based insights. Everything you need to finally understand the unwritten rules of behavior. Ask questions and get personal answers and feedback after every module. Join me for our live monthly workshops where I deliver exclusive new teaching only to People School students. I'll show you exactly what to do to be more influential and impactful in every conversation and situation, guaranteed. And if for some reason the program isn't right for you, no worries. You can get a full refund within the first 30 days. Thousands of students have joined People School and achieved their goals. Here's what just a few of our students shared about their experiences in People School. I got the promotion I was looking for. Thanks to the People School team for helping me along the way. What a ride. I have to say that I wish I was in People School way earlier in life. Wow. So much to absorb and can't wait to do it again and again. Since People School, I have never had such engaging and fun interviews in my life. Last Friday, I accepted a senior position with an increase in my total package of $100,000. People School has provided me with an exceptional amount of value and knowledge. I feel that there is so much to offer from this program. I'll be going through the lessons again. Thank you, Vanessa. One of my biggest regrets is I wish I had enrolled in People School years before now. The best part is People School never expires. We constantly add new bonus modules based on student requests. Want a raise or raise your rates? Check out our How to Get a Raise formula. Need new friends in a new city? check out our How to Find Your People bonus. There are more than 35 hours of material waiting for you in People School. If you want to level up your career, your relationships, and your conversations, I would love for you to consider People School. I read every single one of your comments and can't wait to meet you in our next live workshop. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in our next video.